Hey there, car enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for you, the 2024 Honda Accord. This iconic sedan has been a favorite among drivers for decades, and with the latest updates, Honda has taken it to a whole new level. Let's dive into our in-depth review. First impressions count, and the 2024 Accord doesn't disappoint. Its exterior design is a perfect blend of sophistication and sportiness. The sleek lines and bold grille give it an unmistakable presence on the road. Simply put, the Accord is the whole package, which is why it's on our 10 best cars and Editor's Choice lists again for 2024. Now let's talk about what's new for 2024. Following a complete redesign last year, the Accord rolls into 2024 with no significant changes or revisions. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Accord's LX and X trims are powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine that makes 192 horsepower and drives the front wheels through a CVT. Like previous generations of the Accord, it doesn't offer all-wheel drive. The hybrid powertrain takes a more prominent position in the lineup. It consists of a 2.0-liter four-cylinder and two electric motors that combine for 204 horsepower. And it's the only powertrain offered on Sport, XL, Sportel, and Touring models. During our test of the Accord Hybrid, it managed a 6.5-second effort to 60 miles per hour. Honda says it has tweaked the suspension and steering in its family sedan to improve both ride quality and handling. And during our brief initial test drive, we couldn't really tell much difference from the previous generation model. And that's okay, as the Accord remains as refined and fun to drive as ever. The Accord's handling is confidence-inspiring. Its steering is precise, body motions are well controlled, and the ride is compliant, a combination that drivers are sure to appreciate as much as our editors do. 0 to 60 mph time in our testing. The non-hybrid Accord with the 192 HP turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder went from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.3 seconds, while the faster 204 HP Accord Hybrid's 0 to 60 time was 6.5 seconds. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. According to the EPA, the Accord Hybrid is good for 51 mpg city and 48 mpg highway. Fuel economy numbers for the non-hybrid Accord aren't as impressive at 29 mpg city and 37 mpg highway, but on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, the Accord X with the non-hybrid powertrain managed 40 mpg. The hybrid we tested achieved 39 mpg on the highway, which should be good for as much as 490 miles of driving between fill-ups. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Like the exterior, the Accord's cabin wears a sleek design with elements borrowed from the latest new Hondas that help tie them together with familial DNA. The Civic air vents, for example, hide behind an expansive honeycomb trim, a clever design element also found in both the new Civic and the CR-V SUV. Honda says it has redesigned the Accord's front seats to support torsos more firmly and has also carefully shaped the trunk to hold up to 16.7 cubic feet of cargo. While 60X and Sport trims come with cloth upholstery, all others come with leather. Infotainment and connectivity. An upright 7.0 or 12.3-inch touchscreen display provides easy access to the Accord's infotainment system, and all models, regardless of trim, come with a 10.2-inch digital gauge display standard. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included across the lineup, but only those with the larger 12.3-inch touchscreen offer wireless connectivity. For those features, high-end touring trims come with a wireless smartphone charging pad, a 6.0-inch head-up display, and a 12-speaker Bose stereo system. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 Honda Accord starts at $28,990 and goes up to $39,985 depending on the trim and options. So, is the 2024 Honda Accord worth your hard-earned money? Absolutely. With its winning combination of style, performance, comfort, and safety, it's a sedan that truly stands out from the crowd. But don't just take my word for it. Head to your nearest Honda dealership and experience it for yourself. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. Until next time, drive safe and stay fabulous.